Stop what you're doing and listen closely, because what you're about to see is something no factory has ever done before. For decades, robots could only work when everything stood still. They needed silence, precision, stillness. But now, thanks to a jaw-dropping breakthrough between Fanuc and a secretive French AI startup, robots can now build products while the parts are still moving. We're talking about real-time robotic precision that sees, thinks, and adapts as fast as your heartbeat. And it's already changing the way your car, your phone, even your future is being built. This is bigger than ChatGPT. This is AI taking over the factory floor. Not next year, right now. So what's the tech behind this? Why are companies like GM, Ford, and Toyota jumping on it? And what does this mean for millions of jobs and the global economy? We're breaking it all down. And trust me, you've never seen robots like this before. Make sure to subscribe, because this is the kind of AI news that changes everything, and we bring it to you first. Let's begin. To understand why Fanuc and Inbolt's breakthrough is so massive, you first need to understand the problem they've just solved. In factories around the world, especially automotive and electronics plants, robots are everywhere. But they've always had one major weakness. They can't handle motion. See, most robots are like perfectionists. They need everything to be exactly in place, perfectly still, measured down to the last millimeter. If a car door is off by even a few degrees, or if a part is moving too fast, that robot freezes, or worse, makes a costly mistake. This forces companies to stop the assembly line hundreds of times a day, just so the robot can do its job safely. Think about that. In a world that craves speed and efficiency, manufacturers are literally slowing down progress so the robot can catch up. This stop-start dance wastes time, money, and manpower, and it creates bottlenecks in what should be smooth, continuous workflows. So what have companies done about it? They've spent millions of dollars building custom fixtures and high-tolerance setups to hold things still for the robots. They've hired armies of human workers just to reset, reposition, and supervise machines that were supposed to be autonomous. But the truth is, even the best robots up until now were just fast followers. They followed static instructions, but they couldn't adapt in real time. That's the wall Fanuc and Inbolt have just smashed through. They've built a system that allows robots to work like elite human technicians, tracking, predicting, and adjusting to moving targets with zero delay. It's a leap that transforms robotic arms from obedient machines into real-time thinkers. And that unlocks a future where assembly never stops, where motion is no longer a problem, it's part of the design. And it all starts here. This breakthrough didn't come out of nowhere. It's the result of a powerful alliance between two very different players, Fanuc and Inbolt, who've joined forces to change the game. Let's start with Fanuc. They're not new to this. Fanuc is a Japanese robotics legend, one of the largest and most trusted industrial robot makers on the planet. Their machines are everywhere: car factories, electronics plants, packaging centers. Known for their unmatched durability and precision, Fanuc robots are the gold standard in automation. But Fanuc had a limitation. They were incredibly powerful, but not exactly smart. That's where Inbolt comes in. Inbolt is a rising French startup with a specialty that makes them lethal in this space: real-time 3D vision powered by AI. Their software, called GuideNOW, acts like eyes and a brain for any robot, helping it understand the environment, analyze motion, and make instant decisions. Together, these two are the perfect duo. Fanuc brings the robotic muscle. Inbolt adds the AI brain. By combining Fanuc's world-class robot arms with Inbolt's dynamic vision system, they've created a robotic platform that doesn't just follow instructions, it adapts to reality. Imagine a robot that can react like a Formula One driver, instinctive, lightning-fast, and error-proof, while working in a factory. And the collaboration itself is smart. Instead of trying to build something totally new from scratch, they've layered Inbolt's software directly into Fanuc's proven hardware. This means faster deployment, minimal risk, and huge scalability. In simple terms, this isn't a research lab demo. It's a ready-for-market system already being used by real manufacturers, in real factories, building real products. And that's what makes this different from every flashy robotics clip you've seen online. This isn't just innovation, it's implementation. Okay, let's break down how this mind-blowing system actually works. Because it's not just impressive, it's genius. The star of the show is Inbolt's software called GuideNOW. At first glance, it looks like just another robot vision system. But this isn't just a camera. It's a full AI-powered perception and decision-making engine strapped to the robot's arm. Here's how it works. 1. A 3D camera captures the precise shape, position, and movement of parts, like a car door or engine component, as they roll down the line. 2. The AI doesn't just take pictures, it analyzes movement in real time and predicts where each part will be next. 3. It sends that data directly to the Fanuc robot's controller, which adjusts its motion path, on the fly, with sub-millimeter accuracy. This is a huge leap from traditional robotics. Most factory robots are locked into pre-programmed paths. If anything shifts or moves slightly, the robot can't adapt. It either fails or stops. But with this new system, the robot is constantly adjusting. It's not guessing, it's calculating, predicting, and reacting every fraction of a second. It's like a robot playing a game of darts while the dartboard is moving and still hitting bullseyes. Even better, it's incredibly resilient. If a conveyor belt speeds up or slows down, no problem. If a part is slightly crooked, still no problem. If there's variation between units, completely fine. This AI vision system adapts in real time, even in chaotic environments. And it doesn't just work with one task. Whether it's tightening bolts, inserting screws, applying glue, or aligning components, the system performs all of it while in motion. That's the kind of flexibility factories dream about. It turns robots from rigid machines into agile, intelligent assistants, and that opens up a world of new possibilities. Now let's get into what matters most, results. Because this isn't just some lab experiment. This Fanuc Inbolt system is already being rolled out in real factories, delivering jaw-dropping performance upgrades across the board. Let's start with General Motors. They've deployed this system on one of their main assembly lines, and the outcome? A 38% reduction in idle time within weeks. No need to stop the line for robotic tasks. No delays, just pure continuous production. That kind of improvement is massive. We're talking about hundreds of hours saved per year, which translates to millions of dollars in operational gains. Other manufacturers like Ford, Stellantis, Toyota, Whirlpool, and ThyssenKrupp are now moving fast to test and implement this technology. Why? Because it makes financial sense. With this tech, robots don't wait for the product to come to them. They meet it in motion. That alone transforms efficiency, especially in general assembly, where variability is high and human labor is still heavily relied on. Here's the kicker. You don't need to build a whole new plant. You can retrofit existing Fanuc arms with Inbolt's GuideNOW system. That means manufacturers don't have to spend millions on new infrastructure. They just plug in a smarter brain. And that's what's driving rapid adoption, fast ROI, return on investment, minimal disruption, and maximum efficiency. This system doesn't just reduce labor. It reduces downtime, waste, and scrap errors, three of the biggest cost drivers in manufacturing. Plus, it works across industries: automotive, aerospace appliances, AV equipment, electronics. Anywhere parts move and precision matters, this system fits. This isn't just new tech. It's a new standard for how things are built. This breakthrough isn't just an upgrade, it's a global industrial shift. With Fanuc and Inbolt system, we're entering a new phase of manufacturing, where machines don't just automate, they adapt. This is the backbone of what's now being called smart factories. Imagine entire production lines that don't pause, systems that reprogram themselves, robots that learn after each cycle. This isn't science fiction, it's now standard-setting technology. But let's zoom out. The global manufacturing industry is worth over $16 trillion. Even a 1% gain in efficiency from real-time AI robotics could mean billions saved worldwide. That's a ripple effect on profits, prices, supply chains, and even economic stability. Now let's talk jobs. Yes, this technology reduces the need for repetitive manual tasks, but it doesn't kill jobs, it shifts them. As robots take over precision work, the demand for skilled tech operators, AI supervisors, robot trainers, and factory data analysts will explode. In fact, this could spark an industrial talent boom. Countries that upskill their workers now will dominate manufacturing in the AI age. But what about nations that delay? Well, they risk falling behind fast. This tech creates an efficiency divide. The factories with adaptive robotics will move faster, produce cheaper, and scale quicker. That's why governments, educators, and private companies need to act now. Not to stop the AI wave, but to ride it. Because here's the truth. This is bigger than a factory upgrade. It's a shift in how the world builds, trades, employs, and competes. The future isn't about robots replacing humans. It's about humans and robots building the future together, smarter, faster, and stronger than ever before. And this collaboration between Fanuc and Inbolt, it's just the beginning. You've just seen the beginning of something bigger than any one factory, any one company, or even any one country. What Fanuc and Inbolt have unleashed isn't just a smarter robot. It's a blueprint for the future of creation. A future where machines think, adapt, and evolve alongside us. A future where work doesn't stop, production never sleeps, and factories become living systems, faster, smarter, and more precise than ever before. But with that future comes a choice. Will you understand the shift or be left behind by it? Will you fear the rise of intelligent machines or learn to lead them? Because this isn't 10 years from now, it's today. And those who know, those who adapt first, they're the ones who shape the future. So if you want to stay ahead, if you want to be the first to break what the world hasn't even seen yet, then hit that subscribe button right now, turn on notifications, drop a comment below. Are you ready for a world built by adaptive AI? This channel is your front row seat to the next evolution of AI. And trust me, what's coming next? You won't want to miss it. See you in the next video.